Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well. Respected Conservator, Wildlife Department, Government of Sindh, Karachi. I am here to plead in front of you that recently I have complained against ghost employees and employees appointed on fake degrees in Sindh Wildlife Department and KPSC scheme. I have done a complaints against them in front of you and in front of Chief Secretary Sahab and Secretary Sahab and concerned Minister Sahab. But I am very feeling low because till now nothing has happened to them. Because of that, they are now getting more in power and saying and threatening me on calls directly and indirectly that they will kill me if I will not take back the complaint. I think this time is to say in front of everyone that the people who are 10 times more wealthier than me, more powerful than me, having more political influences, political approaches, 10 times more than me, what a person in this situation can do. If someone whom you have complained about that they are ghost employees and they are working on fake degrees, they are sitting at their home taking salaries and not doing their job. If this situation happens to anyone else, I don't know how he reacts, but I will react, and I am saying in front of you, respected Conservator Sahab, respected Chief Secretary Sahab, respected Secretaries Forest and Wildlife Department Sahab, that I will fight for the right thing, and I don't fear anyone, but I fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If in case anything happens to me or my family, any member of my family, then the responsibles will be Khan Mohammad Bhagat, Inspector Wildlife Department, Khadim Hussin Bhagat, Taxidermist, Assistant Taxidermist, Sindh Wildlife Department, posted at Karachi but sitting at home,